So today I'm going to show you another DIY end of the year gift for teachers project. So we're going to be making one of these jars. My teacher's name is Mrs. Olson. So we're going to be making one of these. So we have a bunch of these jars, and they're for jam, but we don't use them anymore, so we just decided to use one of these because it's very nice. So we decided to decorate this with nail polish, or you could use paint or nail polish, or decorate however way they want to, but we use nail polish on the bottom. And so I'm going to show you what we're going to put inside the jar. It's not just a jar. We're going to put these little hearts. I made these little hearts, and I'm going to show you how to make them in a minute. And I made these little hearts, and then I'm going to write special notes to my teacher and then put them inside the jar. Okay, so what you need for this project, well, you can use anything really to decorate the jar, and we chose nail polish and sparkling nail polish, and then the glue for the lid. And yeah, and then you're also going to need scissors, a pencil, or pen, whatever you want to use, and then this, I was drafting out notes for the teacher. So I was using a flare pen to draft out the notes. Then also squins if you want to use those. Whatever you want to use to decorate. Okay, so we're also going to need these little pieces of paper. They're origami paper. You could use whatever type of paper that you want. But we chose these paper because it has very nice patterns on it. I'm going to move a little bit closer. Okay, so then you're just going to fold this over in half, like this. Then crease it. Okay, once you've done that, then you're just going to take your pencil and you're going to draw 1/2 of a heart. Okay. Okay, you can make them any size and any shape, but we chose to do hearts because it's nice to do for a teacher. Then you're just going to, cut around the heart or cut on the line. Okay, so once you have cut it out, then it's going to look like a heart. And your hearts may not look all the same, just like mine. They don't look all the same. There are different sizes and they have different patterns too. And I did a really big green one because her favorite color is green, as I said. So I did a really big heart green. Then the scraps look like this. Okay, so once you have done that, then you're going to start writing notes. You're going to make a lot of these, as much as you want. Doesn't matter how much you want to put inside the jar. Then, as I said, I drafted out some notes, and because they're not going to be perfect, and then I get what I'm going to say on the actual hearts. So, that way I don't make a mistake. So, some of these are just drafted out. I will miss you, or you are kind. Thank you for teaching me. You're a great teacher. I opened up the jar, then I'm going to put this inside. So once I finish one thing, I'm going to just put it inside the jar. Okay, this one, I decided that actually it was a good idea to write across because it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to do, let's see, this one. Thank you for teaching me. That's the one I'm going to choose. So my notes are all done, and then I'm just going to put all of these inside here because they're all finished. Okay, put the lid on, and you don't have to use the same words that I used. You could use different words, but I think that this is a great end of the year gift, and I didn't have to go to the store to buy any of this stuff because I already had all of the supplies at my house, and my mom let me lend me some of her things. So I made it really easy. So it's a very cheap, nice project, and it looks like they spent a lot of money on it, but you actually didn't. It's really DIY and handmade. So I just used all this stuff from my house, and I didn't have to go out and buy anything. And I think this is a great DIY project for your teachers for the end of the year. And yeah, I hope that this works out for you guys too, if you guys plan on making this project too. Okay, so this is a close-up of the whole jar. Here we did blue nail polish on some of the diamonds and then put sequins. And we also did pink nail polish and did sequins. And yellow nail polish with sequins also. And down here we just got this light pink nail polish and put it around the bottom. And then we got sparkly nail polish and put it on top of that for a top coat. Then we just made this nice ribbon with the tag so that she knows who it's from.